Surprise, surprise, surprise. It's Elizabeth and it is, what day is it? Thursday, September 17th, 2020. And it's 6 a.m. in the morning or just after. And what am I doing? I decided, I usually do the unboxing and post it straight to YouTube, but I thought I would share it with you guys here and then upload it to YouTube. So if you're curious, so early, I got an hour, 45 minutes before I have to start getting ready for work. I got my morning coffee, and yes, I'm wearing my pajamas, but I wanted to share with you the paper pumpkin box. Oh, I should be covering up the address and everything, but c'est la vie, right? Okay, so here we go. So, anyone that places an online order with me and uses the hostess code or places a qualifying order gets your name put into a hat at the end of the month, and I do a draw for paper pumpkin. So the winner last month was Ruth, and Ruth got her paper pumpkin kit yesterday and was very excited. She had opened it up already. I hadn't, so I'm going to open it up now, and so I share it with you. So, while I'm at it, next month's paper pumpkin kit, let me get to it first. I'll just close this box, is called Joy to the World, and it says, bells are ringing, angels are singing, and the new Joy to the World paper pumpkin kit is coming soon. This kit includes supplies for 8 elegant holiday cards and is perfect for connecting with people you love during this festive time. And you can order it, sign up for it between September 10th and September 11th and October 10th. And as a rule, I usually love the paper pumpkin kits for Christmas. So I don't always get the paper pumpkin kit for the fall because it's usually Halloween treats, and I don't do Halloween anymore. I'm getting old and crotchety. And this year people aren't going to do Halloween. So, and if you know the setup of my house, it's back in a courtyard and people don't come, and for the sake of one kid coming to the door, it's really not worth it. So I stopped doing Halloween quite a few years ago. But having said that, I usually suspend this month's kit, but I didn't. And I thought, I'll make alternate projects or something like that. So, or I sometimes take them to work and do treats for my bosses. So it says, have a happy Halloween. Oh, even with the glasses on, I can't read. Give thanks, hello pumpkin, trick or treat, spooky and sweet. And then it's got a pumpkin. This is actually quite cute. It's hard to see. Let me see if this works. Yeah, there we go. So this is a witch's hat with a pumpkin on it. So I really like that because it doesn't scream Halloween, but it would be great for fall decor at table settings. And then it's got, and here's the pumpkin. Here's the pumpkin face, a small pumpkin face, and then a little flower, and then a couple of leaves. So it doesn't scream Halloween. And the color is Cajun Craze. I might be pleasantly surprised because it doesn't look like it's screaming Halloween either. And let's see what we've got in our... Hope everyone is doing well. I'm thinking there might be a stamping Sunday this week. Depends on my workload. I do have things that are on my plate, but most of them I got done with. Oh, so they could be Halloween treats, but they are also crackers. They could be, this is what Ruth said when she posted on Facebook. She said that they could also be great Thanksgiving places. If anyone is doing Thanksgiving. Your kit includes Hello Pumpkin photopolymer stamp set, Cajun Craze Classic Stampin' Spot, Baker's Twine, 20 double-sided cracker boxes, die-cut pieces and labels, laser cut pieces, dimensionals, adhesive dots, and adhesive strips. Coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors are Basic Black, Bumblebee, Cajun Craze, Cinnamon Cider, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Pumpkin Pie, and White. Do more with this month's kit. Your Paper Pumpkin kit arrives every month. To see a list of coordinated products that match this month's kit, go to stampinup.com, Paper Pumpkin dash coordination. And then around maybe next week sometime on the Facebook Paper Pumpkin site, which is called facebook.com Paper Pumpkin by Stampin' Up. They do alternate projects. So demonstrators send in alternate projects. So if you wanted to take it up and make cards, here's 3 samples of the cards that you could make. We've got a give thanks. We've got a happy Hello Pumpkin and a have a happy Halloween. Yeah. Okay, so that's the kit, and let's see what we have. So I think what I might be doing then is, because again I don't even know for what was happening for Thanksgiving, because you know it's like a month. Well, I'm in Canada, so I just should say that I'm in Canada, so Thanksgiving is just less than a month away. Okay, so here are the here's the dimensionals, the glue dots, the glue strips, the black and the white linen thread. I always have supplies left over, so I have a bin with like the leftover threads, the leftover dimensionals, and especially the glue dots, and they come in really handy. And so here are the cracker. Oh, look. So one side is that pattern, and then the other side is that pattern, and you can alternate them. Then we have, oh, neat. Oh, yeah, I like this. Oh, sorry, guys. I get so excited about this stuff. So I'm going to take a few off so that you can see them. Oh, there's 2 sheets here. So we've got cats. Oh, they'd be cute. And again, they could be for fall. They don't scream Halloween. So we've got a sheet of cats. Did it say how many? Die cut pieces. It doesn't tell us how many die cut pieces. Well, Stampin' Up. Oh, so cute. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 cats. And then these are a variety of different sized flowers. Okay, so 10 cats and 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of the big flowers, and 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I can't. Oh, they're the light. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 12 of the little flowers. Took me long enough to get that out. I guess I need to have another sip of coffee. And then we have some lace, 2, 4, 8 pieces of lace pattern. Let me poke that out. These are actually very pretty. They're very pretty, very pretty. So there's the lace pattern. So there's 8 of those. And then these, I thought they were eggs at one point, but they're not. And this might be a little bit harder to take out. They are swirls. They're kind of like accents that would go on the top of a ribbon, kind of like swirls. Oh, they're pretty. They're pretty. I like that. Okay, so we got those. Oh, we've got more. Oh, I wrecked that one. Oops, I have to put that back to place. Okay, and now we have in the Bumblebee, how many sheets? 2, 4, 6. Okay, there's 3 sheets each, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 leaves that are 6 times 3, 18, that are this shape, which I wrecked that one. And then we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 3, 6, 15 leaves that are that shape. And we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 flowers that are that shape. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, yeah, 18. Okay, so, and then we have the same in this color, in the Cajun Craze. And then we have in the Cinnamon Cider, 2, 6, 9, 12, 15 leaves. I'm not going to poke them out because they're tiny. Well, they're not tiny, but they're more complicated to get out. So we have 3, 6, 15 leaves that are that in Cinnamon Cider and the Mossy Meadow. And we have the same 3, 6, and 12 of Cinnamon Cider and Mossy Meadow in that shape. That's a lot. That's a lot of die cuts, mine. Oh, we're not finished. We're not finished. Now we have, there's 2 sheets of that. So we have 6 labels like that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 labels. Oh, no. Oh, no, sorry. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 that are like this. And we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Oh, lots. We've got lots. 20 that look like that. And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20 flowers that are that size. And there are holes in the middle, just so you guys know. There's pokey holes. There we go. There's holes in the middle. And then of the smaller ones, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 of the smaller ones. And we're not done. Holy cannoli. And now these are flowers with leaves on them. And you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 in the Cinnamon Cider and 18 in the Bumblebee. And again, I'm not going to poke these out because these are easier to see, but they do have holes in the middle. So there you can see the one with there with the hole in the middle. We got witches' hats. And there's 1 sheet of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 10 witches' hats. Oh, this is going to be so much fun to put together. We're not done. Okay, Stampin' Up. You guys have really outdone yourselves this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we've got 4 sheets of this, and I'm not going to poke these out because it's easy to see. So we've got 2 in each sheet of the bigger banner, and then 3 of the smaller banner. And then we've got, these are, I'll poke this one out so you'll see it's all one. And then we've got this, and we've got 3 sheets of, sorry, there's 4 sheets. So there's 4 sheets of these, so that's 8 of this size, and 3 times 4, 12 of that. And then, and I hate math, so you're making me do math at 6:30 in the morning. And then we've got 3 on each sheet of that, and there's 4. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pumpkins. And there's 4 sheets, 44 pumpkins. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20 of these flowers. Wow. Okay, I'm actually like floored. And then here we've got, remember those swirls I had mentioned before that they kind of look like top of a ribbon box? This one I've wrecked. I wasn't very delicate. So that's the swirl, and they are delicate, I will tell you that. So they are delicate, so I'm not going to open them all up. So we've got it's one sheet, and the cinnamon cider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10. So 20 in the cinnamon cider and 20 in the Mossy Meadow. And then we have the last is these, which were in the black, and we've got them in the cinnamon cider and the bumblebee. Oh no, is that no Cajun craze? Sorry, Cajun craze and bumblebee. And there are 2 sheets. So there's 20 of well, sorry, 10 of the Cajun craze and 10 of the bumblebee, and then 3, 6, 12 each of 24 of these yellow swirls. That's pretty awesome. That's a lot in that kit. So like I said, I usually pass on this kit, which I didn't this month. And if truth be known, even when I did the draw for that Ruth won, I did it like the night before, because it was like, oh shoot, Elizabeth, it's the end of the registration. So I did it like the night, the 10th, and it was not a miss in my not suspending it, but I just let it go. I thought, oh, I'll just get it this month, and I'll live with it. But I'm very happy that I got it. So that's me, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all on Sunday for Simple Stamping Sunday. I'm making that commitment to you guys here. I'm going to schedule it. I'm going to post it. If you are watching this on Facebook and you are in Canada and want in on the Simple Stamping Sunday, and I say if you're in Canada because I am a Canadian demonstrator, and this is for my customers and team members and people in Canada that shop with me. So I do a Simple Stamping Sunday, but I will upload it later to YouTube so you can watch as well. But I will see you on Sunday at 2 p.m. And have a great day, and someone's watching. Someone's always watching. Thanks for tuning in today. Bye.